Yes, I'm walking backward. Good morning. Well, guess I'm going to Calgary. Rugăciunea de miercuri. Doamne atotputernic și tot îndurate, mi-aduc aminte că te născut de om din Sfânta Fecioară. Well, I have to wait about 2 hours, and while I wait, time to have breakfast. Because Flying J at Calgary is under construction, so no more pizza for 2 months. At least in Calgary, so sandwiches with pickle, cheese, and 2 slices of bread, some fruits, something bar, and kefir. And this, I forgot from, this is from Regina. Oh, I wonder, I think Regina. I forgot from where. Anyway, breakfast. Only slept about 4 hours, but it is what it is. Another night shift, I think the one in a while, I think Grand Prairie. So we'll see how it goes. I have a Monster. I can stop at Esson Golden if I need a coffee or something, because Flying J Calgary sucks for the next 2 months. but I'm going home. So, and already Sunday or Monday I might leave for another trip, so we'll see. Catch you on the stream, full night shift. Yes, I'm working backwards. 40 minutes into my shift and we have a crash, a little bit of delay. Yay! Hope the night goes well. I already did one monster. I think I need more. I think I'm gonna stop in Golden for a coffee. Almost 3 a.m. I'm starting to get tired. 3 to 6 a.m. These are the difficult hours. But I infused myself with a big jug of coffee, so hopefully I should be okay. We're on top, almost on top of Kamloops, and we are aiming to reach 6.5 in Vancouver. Whew. It's 7 a.m. I arrived at the base, dropped the trailer, did my elog thing, tired as fuck. But we arrived, so home time now. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hopefully Sunday also, and a little bit of Monday. That's my desire. We'll see what the company says. Long day, 24 hours with, I don't know, 4 hours of sleep, more than 24 hours. But sometimes such is life, such as are my choices, to run, to not run, to sleep, to not sleep. It was I think in the morning a little bit it was hard, not sleepy, but I was tired, and I drink a lot of coffee for me. Let's see if I can show you all of this. So for me it's black coffee with when it was that big, with three brown sugars. But I don't like it anyway. I think it worked, so that's good. Anyway, I'm rambling because I'm tired. See you next time. Peace.